An electric dipole with dipole moment 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 Coulomb meter is aligned with the direction of uniform electric field of magnitude 4 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb. The dipole then rotated through an angle of 60 degree with respect to the electric field. The change in its potential energy of dipole is 0.8 joule, 1.0 joule, 1.2 joule and 1.5 joule. The electric field E. The dipole, this is a dipole is put in this direction, this is P vector. तो इस कंडीशन में जो एंगल बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड डाइपोल मोमेंट इज थीटा 1 इज 0. अब डाइपोल को हमने टर्न कर दिया 60 डिग्री पर. थीटा 2 इज 60 डिग्री. So change in potential energy delta U will be PE cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2, and P is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into E is 4 into 10 to the power 5 cos 0 degree minus cos 60 degree, 20 into 10 to the power minus 1, 1 minus half, or 2 into half is equal to 1 joule. This B is correct option. Next, the plates of a parallel plate capacitor are separated by D, two slabs of different dielectric constant K1 and K2 with thickness 3D by 8 plus D by 2 respectively are inserted in the capacitor. Due to this, the capacitance become 2 times larger than when there is nothing between the plates. If K1 is 1.25 K2, the value of K1 is 2.66, 2.33, 1.66, 1.60, 1.33. A capacitor this plate distance is D. Plate area is A. तो इनिशियली इसका जो कैपेसिटेंस C विल बी एप्सिलॉन A बाई D. अब इसके D डिस्टेंस में टू स्लैब्स इंसर्टेड. This is 3D by 8 and this is D by 2, the K1 and this is K2. K1 dielectric constant and this is K2. Suppose this is T1 and this is T2, D by 2 is T2. तब इसका डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट K1 is 1.25 K2. Capacitance C1 will be epsilon A D minus T1 minus T2 plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2. Epsilon A D minus 3D by 8 minus D by 2 plus 3D by 8K1 plus D by 2K2. Epsilon A D by 8 plus 3D by K1 plus D by 2 K2. K2 की वैल्यू पुट कर दी यहाँ से. K2 will be K1 by 1.25, K1 by 1.25 और epsilon dot A D by 8 plus 3D by K1 plus 1.25 D by 2K1. C and C1 becomes double of C, or epsilon dot A by D by 8 plus 3D by K1 plus 1.25 D by K1. This is 2 into epsilon A by D. एप्सिलॉन से एप्सिलॉन क्रॉस हो गया. 1 बाई यहाँ पर 2K. 8K1 will be 1 D कॉमन ले लिया. दिस विल बी K1 प्लस this is 8. Plus 3 plus 5. 2 by D. D से D क्रॉस हो जाएगा. 1 is equal to 2 into K1 plus 3 plus 5 by 8K1 4. 4K1 is equal to K1 plus 8 or 3K1 is equal to 8. K1 is equal to 8 by 3, 2.66. तो K1 की वैल्यू है 2.66. A is correct option.